How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Emma.
How old are you?
I am 26 years old.
Where are you from?
I am from the USA.
What is your job?
I am a teacher.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am.
Are you tall?
No, I'm short.
Are you tired?
A little bit.
Are you hungry?
No, I'm not.
Are you busy now?
Yes, I'm busy.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I do.
What languages do you speak?
I speak English and Spanish.
Do you have a passport?
Yes, I do.
Are you at home now?
Yes, I am.
What day is today?
Today is Monday.
What is the weather like?
It is sunny.
Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother.
What does your mother do?
She is a nurse.
Do you live with your family?
Yes, I do.
Do you have grandparents?
Yes, I have two grandmothers.
Do you visit your family often?
Yes, every weekend.
Do you love your family?
Yes, very much.
Do you have many friends?
Yes, I do.
Do you go out with friends?
Yes, we go out on Saturdays.
Do you call your friends every day?
Not every day, but often.
Do your friends speak English?
Some of them do.
Is your family big?
Yes, it is.
Do you siblings study?
Yes, they go to school.
What do you do in the morning?
I brush my teeth and take a shower.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and eggs.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I do.
How do you go to work?
I go by bus.
What time do you start work?
I start at 8 a.m.
What time do you finish work?
I finish at 6 p.m.
Do you eat lunch at home?
No, I eat at work.
What do you do after work?
I relax and watch TV.
Do you cook the dinner?
Yes, I do.
What time did you sleep?
I sleep at 10:30 p.m.
Do you listen to music?
Yes, every day.
Is your city big?
Yes, it is.
Do you have a car?
No, I don't.
Can you ride a bike?
No, I can't.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I love reading.
Bom, pessoal, vamos ficar por aqui. Eu espero que vocês tenham gostado do vídeo.